as many as 48 lakh plus power consumers of Western Maharashtra apprehends disconnection of their power line. Maharashtra Mahavitran issued them demand note amounting to above rupees 2300 crores for payment as additional security. As many as 4,650 ST consumers owe about rupees 500 crores, and others like domestic, commercial, industrial, low tension industrial and commercial consumers including agriculture owe rupees 1800 crores plus as amount of security deposits, rather additional security deposits. Namaskar, I am Amar Nath Mishra, graduated in electrical engineering from NIT Jamshedpur in 1981, has served Jharkhand State Electricity Board in the capacity of assistant engineer, executive engineer, superintending engineer and general manager, besides working as joint secretary and secretary to the board for a period of 3 years. The story begins when the Chief Engineer Commercial Maharashtra Power Development Corporation issued a letter in March 2023 to revise the security deposit of their consumers. Additional security bill along with current energy bills were served them in the month of April and May, and the consumers were granted to pay the outstanding security amount in 6 months. Thereafter 5 months have elapsed, and as many as 48 lakh consumers from Western Maharashtra only have not yet made payment of the security deposit, rather additional security deposit. So what is security deposit? Security deposit is the amount being kept as security by the Vitran companies for supply of electricity to the consumers. You do not need to make payment of additional security or any additional security if you avail power through prepaid metering. Section 47 of Indian Electricity Rules provides that a distribution licensee may require any person to give him reasonable security as may be determined by regulation for the payment to him of all monies which may become due to him in respect of electricity supplied to such person, or where any electric line or electrical plant or electric meter is to be provided for supplying electricity. And if that person fails to give such electricity, the distribution licensee, if he thinks fit, refuse to give the supply of electricity to provide the line. In pursuance of this section 47 of Indian Electricity Rule 2003, section 47 of Indian Electricity Act 2003. In pursuance of this act, the State Electricity Regulatory Commission of Maharashtra revised its previous order, which was valid till 2021, under which all consumers were supposed to deposit 1 month's 1 month's average billing amount of the preceding years. Means in case any consumer paid rupees 12,000 during entire preceding year, he will have to deposit rupees 1,000 as security deposit. This has been revised now, and now the consumers will have to pay 2 months average security deposit. It is pertinent to note that the financial health of all distribution companies, almost all distribution companies, is not good. They do not have their own generating plants. They procure power from generators. That generator may be state's own generating company or central sector generating company, or they may procure power from energy exchange. If they don't have sufficient money, they will not be able to procure power, and you will not be able to get uninterrupted power supply. So there is justification. So now Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission has ordered that all consumers who are billed on monthly cycle will have to pay 2 months security amount as security deposit. The consumers who are billed on quarterly basis will have to pay 1.5 months average amount of preceding year's energy bills. The energy bill will include unit charges, maximum demand charges, power factor surcharge, power factor surcharge, and fuel price adjustment charge. But not delay payment surcharge. One, two, three, and 4. This is not to be paid. This is not to be taken for calculation of additional security. So it is the duty of consumers to make payment of their outstanding dues in respect of security in time. Otherwise, as the Act says, if the person referred to above, that is the consumer, fails to give such security, the distribution licensee may, if he thinks fit, discontinue the supply of electricity for the period during which the failure continues. So in order to avoid disconnection, you should make payment of entire security amount in time. 5 months period has already been left. During coming 1 month, you should make payment of entire amount of security. So how to calculate the security? You should calculate the amount of security that has been billed to you. How to calculate? Suppose you have been served, you have consumed units and paid in respect of unit rupees 15,000. In respect of demand rupees 5,000. In respect of power factor surcharge rupees 3,000 and fuel surcharge, full price surcharge rupees 2,000. So total you paid rupees 30,000. Okay, so 1 month average is 2.5 thousand. So total security amount calculated two months average, so 2 into 2,500 equal to 5 rupees 5,000. Okay, suppose you have already made payment of, during your initial connection you have already made payment of rupees 3,000. Previous payment rupees 3,000. So actual amount of security is calculated amount minus paid amount, means actual security before making payment you should examine the bills given to you, and if any discrepancy is found, make your representation before the competent authority so that your security bills can be revised. What is wrong with many DISCOMs is that there is a clear order that on this security you are entitled to get interest on bank rate or whatever rate decided by the State Electricity Regulatory Commission, and the interest amount is supposed to be adjusted in your energy bill during the current financial year itself. That means if you took connection, whenever you took connection, the amount is to be adjusted. Suppose interest rate is 10%. For 5,000 rupees, you got interest of rupees 5,000. So during this financial year only, this 500 amount is to be adjusted against your security bills, rather energy bills. Many of DISCOMs are not doing that. This is your claim, and you should seek your claim from DISCOMs. Many DISCOMs are ready and preparing themselves to follow this suit, but problem with them is that they don't have up-to-date records pertaining to payment of securities by the consumers. So it is my earnest request to you to make payment of this security. Appropriate tariff and consumers' interest are not contradictory things. They are complementary to each other. If DISCOMs are not equipped with proper finances, they will not be able to supply you uninterrupted power, and you will not be able to get quality supply of power. That's all in this video. Thanks for being with me till the end of this video. Please subscribe this channel for further and informative knowledge pertaining to electrical engineering and commercial matters pertaining to electrical engineering. Thank you.